Lesson 2.1, Concept 3, Writing an Inequality from a Graph. So when we're given a number line with an inequality already drawn onto it, to find out the equation or the inequality as an equation, we're basically going to be taking the same steps we took in the previous video in reverse. All right. So when you see that you have an inequality on a graph, begin by writing your variable. I like to use x, but you can use a different variable if you want. And then give yourself a little bit of space between so you can add in your inequality, but write in whatever number your circle is at. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's an open circle or a closed circle at this point, the number is going to be the same. So I have x and I have -2. And then if the arrow is open to the right, it's going to be that your variable is greater than that number. All right, and then the final step is if the circle is open, you're all done. But if it's closed, you're going to add that or equal to sign underneath your greater than or less than. Okay, let's look at it a couple more times. All right, so with this one, I'm going to use x again, leave some space. X is something and 1, and then it opens to the left, so it's going to be a x is less than, and then I have a closed circle, so I'm going to add in my or equal to. X is less than or equal to 1. And for this one, I have my x and a -3. Opens to the right, so it's going to be greater than, and then it is a closed circle, so I'm going to add in my greater than or equal to sign.